Okay, let's go to FS00. So please go to FS00. So please close my screen. Yeah. Just take down one GL account. It is related to rent or salary. 4 series. Okay, now just go to control data. Control data. So just come down, come down, come down. Go to line item display. Just edit this GL account. So for this GL account, let's check it out. How many line items are created? So how many line items are there? Just go to FBL3N and check it out. So is there any transaction entries posting with respect of this GL account? FBL3N.
No, sir.
No, right? So just create one transaction entry, rent account to bank. Just go to FB50 and create one transaction entry, rent account to bank. So we need to give the cost elements. So what is that cost element? You can take a cost element is Mumbai or Delhi. Just take down cost element, cost center, sorry.
I've not created any cost center, sir.
Okay, then fine. So just take down rent to bank, right? So bank GL account, just give the bank GL account. Okay, create credit 10,000. Just give the text and simulate and post. Post. Yes, right. Just go to FBL1, FBL3N once again. And now you can check. So this is the entry. Okay, so document number 2 is posted right now. So now the question is, if you not select line item display, what happened? So let's go to FS00 again, once again. Yes, so remove the line item display. Okay, and post one entry again. And one more thing, where can I see this entry in table level? So just now you have posted one entry, right, related to rent paid. So which table we can see this information?
I think it is SK1.
No, table, I'm asking table. Just go to SC16N. So give the table BSEG. BSEG is just for line item, all line item details we can see in the BSEG table. BSEG, SEG. Okay. So give the company code. So now execute. Okay, give the document number separately. Just go back and give the document number which you are posted right now, so that we can segregate immediately. Yeah, document number and fiscal year 2021. Just give the fiscal year 2021. Now execute. Okay, so document number, two line items are there. One is debit and credit. 40 is the debit and 50 is the credit, right? So once we tick the line item display option, that things will be visible in the BSEG table, and in FBL3 and also we can see the details. Now the question is, once we untick the line item display in GL Master, what happened? Let's have a check. Let's have a look at right now. Just untick this option and save it.
Yes, sir, save.
Slowly you can do it. Slow. So where, just go to FS00 and show me where you have unticked that option. Yeah, so it is unticked. Okay. Now you can post one entry again. So you are forgetting reference and all. Just give the reference. So which GL account we are unticking that option? Which GL? So 4 series, right? So rent GL. This is the rent GL.
Rent.
Yeah. Give the rent account also. Okay, simulate. Yeah, you can post it right now. Just go to FBL3N again and check FBL3N and check. So how many documents we posted just now? 2 documents, right? So yeah, just click, just execute that option. See what happened once we untick the line item display in GL master data, we cannot able to see the line items in the FBL3N, right? So again, you just go to again go to GL master and just double click on line item display. So we are posted 2 transactions on the same GL account, but again I'm going to line item display and checking that how many line items that I can see right now. See, only one line item, right? So this is happening in the real time. Sometimes at the time of creation of GL master, so the team, GL master data team, master data governance team has forgotten to tick that option. Now what happened? How I can correct it? So can anyone please tell me right now? See, I posted one transaction without line item display. I posted one transaction with line item display. So these 2 things are I cannot able to see right now. So how we can again these 2 transactions should be visible in FBL3N. So if you know, just inform me right now. So there is one program is there to activate again line item display, and we can see all these information in FBL3N. So once you forgotten to give tick option in the GL master data line item display specifically, there is one program is there. That program is just go to notepad and take down that, copy that program details. So chart I already shared. Just go to chart. So this is the program details. Activate line item run. So that program name is So RFSCPA01, this is the program. That program we need to execute in SE38. So then we can see what happened. So just go to SE38. Yes, give the program name. No, just give the capital only. Just go to Notepad and paste it. Copy and paste. So that program name is RFSCPA01. Okay, this is the program. We can activate line items once again. So just go execute this transaction. Top there is execution button is there. No, not that one. Third one. Yeah. So we are activating the line item display. Okay, so give the company code 4000 4 series. Yeah. Give the 4 series one. Okay, execute. No need to give the document number. Okay, but the system is throwing an error. That error is 400 300 has not been blocked. No, just show me that error, madam. Don't do fast. So 400 300 has not been blocked for posting. Okay, just click on log text. So just understand what need to do. So just go to procedure and read out. Block the account for posting after the items have been converted. You can remove the posting block. So first we need to set the block option, then we can post it and remove that option. Then all the line items will be displayed right now. So just go to that GLFS 00 400 300 GL. So keep posting block. Yes.
Should I
Double click.
block it?
Yeah, double click on that. Blocked for posting. Select that option. Save it. Save it. Okay, now again go to SE38. Okay, go back. So system has not been refreshed right now. Again do it. So execute. Give the company code. GL account. Execute. So now you can see. So document number 1 is selected. Document number 1, document changed. So document number 3, document changed. So again go to FS00 and check. So is the line item option is activated or not after execution of this program. See, after execution of this program, what happens? System automatically give the line item display tick option. Okay, now again go to FBL3 and check this GL account. All the line items are visible or not. See, we have posted 2 transactions, right? The 2 transactions are visible right now. So earlier what happened? So earlier we have posted one document with line item display, we have selected a line item display option. We are activated already. After that, so we removed that activation button. So we didn't see anything over here, right? So again we go to SC38 and we execute the program, and now we can see all these information in the FBL3N. So this is the things that happened in the real time. Sometimes sometimes master data management team forget about these things, like giving the tick option in the line item display. So the user will come to you. So I didn't get line items in the FBL3, and even it has more details. So that time we need to check with the table data where all the details are there or not. So after that we come to know that in the table BSEC all the information is there. Now again you go to SC38 and give the information and execute it. So you will see all this information over here. So now you can just go to SC table level and see this data is available or not. Yeah, these things happens in real time. Okay, so that is the reason. So give the document number, madam. You have forgotten giving the document number. Just take down the document number. Execute. See now both document numbers 1 and 2 are visible right now in the table level. Okay, so if end user or SAP FICO consultant or any master data team forgotten to give the tick option in the GL master data regarding the line item display, so what happened? You just go to SE38 and give the program and execute it. So you need to make this GL account in block. After that, you will find all these details. So now just go to FS00 and remove the posting block. So now go to FS00, take the GL account and remove the posting block. Yes. Okay, so you just do it from your side. So this is the session. Thank you very much. We'll see you tomorrow.